How to fix MoneyGram app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name MoneyGram and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then head over to the option of MoneyGram. After you find the app, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. A floating app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of delete app. You'll get the pop-up, click on delete for the confirmation, the app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app MoneyGram. Once app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix MoneyGram app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.